Dear students, topic for this section is validation testing. So, the validation testing refers to test the software as a complete product, and this should be done after unit and integration testing, because after unit and integration testing we will gain the complete system, and we have to test the software according to the perspective of the customer. We have to test according to the perspective of the customer, and we like to ensure that the software meets the expectation of the customer. So if we are delivering our software product to the customer, then customer may try for invalid inputs, they may try any combination of the input, and because of that the product will give the unexpected output. So customer will not satisfy with the product or with the software, or they will not appreciate the efforts of the developers. So it is necessary to include this customer in the software development process, or at least in the testing phase. So for that purpose there are three testing: alpha, beta and acceptance testing, in which the customers are involved in the testing phase. Okay, so in the acceptance testing, when the product is built for the particular customer, and if that product is tested by the customer, then that testing is called as the acceptance testing. So here some of the test cases are executed by the customer. Okay, and alpha and beta testings are done for the customer which are anonymous, means we don't know which are the customers. So for example, the softwares are compilers, operating system or case tools. So these are developed for whole country or whole world. Okay, so in that we don't know the customer. So in this case the potential customers or representative customers are identified for the purpose of testing. So there are two types of testing, alpha and beta. In the alpha testing, alpha and beta. So this alpha testing is done at the developer's side. Here developer is present, and in front of the developer the software is tested by the customer. In the beta testing, this test is performed at the customer's side. Okay, here developer is not present. Alpha testing is done in the control environment. In the beta testing there is no control environment. Now the developer is not present, so this beta testing is done at the customer side. So this is the validation testing. So for that purpose IEEE has developed a standard, IEEE standard, that is entitled as IEEE Guide for Software Verification Validation, so that the customer may write the effective plan. Because of the validation testing, it improves the quality of a software product in terms of functional capability as well as in terms of the quality attributes. So it is necessary to do the validation testing. Okay, so thank you.